Guys, Mike here. How you doing? Hope you guys are doing well. Little man's over here, and we're doing Got It, Run It series. Thanks for tuning into it. Check out, I got a playlist if you missed some of the back episodes. If you're first time here, glad to have you here. The whole series is about been in the hobby now for almost like well over 15 years, and I've owned a lot of RCs, and we're gonna get what I still have in my collection. We're gonna get out and run them, and this one is the WLToys A999. I used to have the A999, I think it is. I used to have the short course truck, and it finally died. It took a beating. This one is a great little truck. It's like 128 scale or 132. It's got a cool radio. It's got, give it a run, buddy. You can dial it up or dial it down, and the speed over here, I'll show you. It's got, you push the button, and the higher you go up 5 lights, it goes faster. Woo! You hit a stone, and you can press the other way, and it'll slow it down and give it more torque. And it's cool for the inside, but you can still drive it outside. Want to bring it down to 3. Level 3 right here. Okay. And it's fully proportional, full steering proportional throttle. There's steering trim.
Bring it down to 1. See how it
Well, we'll see what 1 does. It's got steering trim from the radio. Yeah, that's a little slow, but still, that's pretty good. That's for indoor speed, eh? But for outdoor, I mean, look how fast that thing goes. And it's got range. And the cool thing too is that it's got steering trim on the radio. It doesn't have it on the bottom side of the RC where you have that little lever dial that you would manually trim it out. So it's pretty cool. You can't change the tires on this one. The tires are pretty much what you got. It comes with a USB charging cable. I picked this one up about 2 years ago to go with my other truck. That truck died. Still got this one, and it's a load of fun. Price point on it is still pretty good, but if you're willing to spend 30 bucks on an RC like this, I think it's kind of worth it. But some people may not be into the tiny scale like this and want to drop 30. But for what you get, a LiPo, a USB charger, and yeah, ready to run, and I think it's pretty high performing for what it is. And this has been out for years already. You couldn't get anything here in Canada or US. It would be probably a NiCad battery and slow stuff like that. It's not proportional steering, and just a click and go steering kind of stuff. So I'll link in the notes. This one is harder to find. It's been made a long time ago, and there's still some out there, but I'll see if I can track it down for you guys if you're interested. So we're going to end it here. A lot of me blabbing. Thanks to my son for driving. Say see you later. See you later. He's busy. Guys, thanks for tuning in. I Got It, Run It, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.